Good day, fishing fans. We're taking a look again at the Northeast conditions via sea surface temperature and ocean color data to get a good idea on what's going on out there and where should we target fishing and get an update. So this is today's it's July already. I can't believe it. Today's July 3rd, 2024. And tomorrow is the 4th of July. So happy 4th of July, everybody. Happy Independence Day and happy blue marlin fishing for those of you going for the World Cup tomorrow. The good news is things have improved quite a bit, especially in the northern canyons over the last couple of weeks. We've been taking a look at this clockwise rotating Gulf Stream eddy, and that is pulling up some Gulf Stream water, pushing things all the way up into West Atlantis to the Fishtails, Block Canyon, the Dip, the Lobster Claw in the Hudson Canyon. All this has been productive with especially tuna lately. And there's also been some tuna caught as this stuff slides down. There's been some tuna caught in the toms as well. If you're looking further east, you've got another promising clockwise eddy here that's just southeast of Hydrographer Canyon. And even another eddy coming way out here, way southeast of Georges Bank. So the Gulf Stream is rather warm, but it has pulled off a little bit and a little bit south, but that's okay because it's allowed some filaments to come in off the Gulf Stream into the canyons, Wilmington, Baltimore Canyon. It's not in the canyons yet, but this water right here, this filament, there's an eddy, there's a clockwise rotating eddy outside of Wilmington and Spencer. And there's a couple Gulf Stream eddies out here, but it's pulled in, this water's pushing in, and this has been really good over the dump site area the last couple days. Lots of marlin in this water, some mahi. Sure, there's some tuna in there as well. There's another eddy down here off of Norfolk Canyon that's promising water up into the southern Norfolk Canyon area. Not a lot of strong features over the canyons until you get up to Tom's to Hudson. Inshore, there was some upwelling over the last week that's really cooled down inshore. So there's some strong breaks inshore. There's another eddy right here that's pushing some water in over the 28-mile wreck area, the Cigar. This looks pretty decent. There's got to be some tuna now stacked up on some of these better bottom structures inshore. And then down south, it's really warmed up. There's some sort of push of water filament just right south of the Cigar down here off of Virginia Beach to Oregon Inlet area. It looks really promising for mahi tuna down here, even way inshore. This Gulf Stream is right about directly over the point, just north of the point right now. There's another filament coming in that's pushing toward the Cigar down south. Waters are warming inshore up to over 70 degrees. Most places inshore, probably upper 60s now, maybe almost 70. Some of the places inshore south of the Martha's Vineyard and Long Island area. They've been up north further in the Gulf of Maine, bluefin tuna action. The bluefin tuna are coming in now to that area. So stay tuned to ROFFS. So let's take a look at the corresponding ocean color data. And lots of clouds out to the east here, but most of the canyons are covered here. Lots of green water. You see lots of green water from the winds the last few, over the past weekend and the last week. But I think the weather's starting to shape up a little better for the 4th of July weekend. I hope you guys can get out there. Nice Gulf Stream eddy down here. Water's pushing up here, some bluer, blue-green water at least, pushing up into the Norfolk. There's another filament here, quite a bit offshore, but here's that nice filament over the dump site east of Baltimore Canyon. And then a nice bluer water, blended blue, I'd say, maybe blue-green, pushing up and in over the fishtails, Block Canyon. This is the ticket right here, right now. This, and this, and then maybe down here as well. So yeah, stay tuned. We will be coming back at you in a couple weeks with some of the bigger North tournaments starting up pretty soon. So take care, good luck, have a happy 4th of July, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.